Hi, I'm Francis, Executive Virtual Assistant from the Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show exactly how I take a chaotic executive inbox and turn it into a clean, organized, automated system so your CEO never misses anything important again. So, let's get into it. This is what an unmanaged executive inbox looks like. 2,600 emails, urgent requests buried under newsletters, invoices mixed with client inquiries, no way to tell what needs attention today versus what can wait until Friday. This is what costs CEO hours every week. Here's how I fix it. The first thing I build is a triage system. 5 categories that tell the CEO exactly where to look and when. Urgent, same-day response. Follow-up, leads and inquiries within 24 hours. Waiting, invoices and payments being tracked. Completed, already handled, archived for reference. Info or read later, newsletter and non-urgent updates. Now, I go through every email once. I scan the subject and the sender, and I sort based on the priority system we agreed on together. No rereading, no hesitation. So, let's take a look at this email for an example. This one says, tomorrow's meeting has been moved. This needs the CEO's attention today. Goes to urgent. So, another example. Let's take a look at this. Zoom link is broken. Call starts in 20 minutes. This is time sensitive. Urgent. So I'll go ahead and sort the rest now. Now, here's where the system gets powerful. Filters. Instead of sorting manually every day, I set up rules that automatically deliver recurring emails straight to the right label. Every newsletter from the sender now goes straight into info or read later. It never touches the main inbox again. Info/read later's filter is created. What about the other labels? Let's say the urgent ones. Let's create a filter for Rachel Kim. Any email from this contact automatically gets flagged as urgent, so the CEO never misses it. I'll go ahead and set up the rest of the filters now. These filters run automatically, even when I'm not online. The inbox manages itself. The last piece of the system is templated responses. Instead of typing the same email from scratch every time, I set up pre-written templates for the most common replies the CEO sends. It's now time to create our templates. Now, instead of typing this every time, one click and the reply is ready. The CEO spends 10 seconds on response instead of 2 minutes. One click, reply ready, nothing gets missed and nothing gets delayed. So that's the full inbox triage system. Labels, sorting, filters, and templated responses. Built so your inbox runs itself even when you're not watching it. Thank you for watching. And that's the Gmail inbox triage system. Labels, sorting, and automated filters. Built so your inbox works for you instead of against you. If you want this setup for your business, my portfolio link is below. Let's talk.